Yeah, I thought I'd make a video on this new toy I bought for all those leaf blower haters. You might as well just stop right now, but I got rid of the Echo and got a Stihl. The Echo leaked gas and it was hard to start hot. The carburetor had been rebuilt a couple times and I just fed up with it. So I bought a Stihl BG86 handheld and I got the gutter cleaning attachment for it. You take this tube off, you just twist it a quarter turn, slide it off, and then you can put the gutter cleaner on. That saves from getting up on ladders, and that's 10 foot long, so it's plenty long, and you can turn this and this so you can, get it right in there and blow your gutters out. Well, I did all the gutters here. And you can see they're kind of high up there, and it just saves me getting on ladders or getting on roofs. I do yard cleanup for a lot of people. I've done it for years. I enjoy doing it, and so that's why I got this. So along with the handheld and the gutter attachment, I have the Stihl. This is about 7 years old. Backpack blower, and it never fails to start on the first pull. It's a BR600 Magnum, and this has got a 4-stroke that runs on 2-stroke fuel. It's kind of like a big model airplane engine, and really a nice machine. I really enjoy it. There's a little bit of maintenance you do on them manually. I'll show you what I do. So being that these are 4-stroke, you put this in the cylinder a couple times a year. I do it once a year because I mainly just use this stuff in the fall to do cleanups for people, but the rest of the year I just might blow the driveway off or something just to give it a run to keep it running. But you spark plugs under here, so you pull a plug and you crank the motor up to the compression stroke right at top dead center, and then one complete turn, and you have both valves open slightly between the exhaust stroke and the intake stroke. So you get it on the compression, then you do one turn and you know you're in that spot, and then you fill a combustion chamber with the piston at top dead center, fill it with this and let it sit overnight, and then you just purge that out the next day and put the plug back in and crank it up, and that keeps the valves from getting carboned up. And this little bottle, I do this every year and it lasts quite a long time. This bottle I bought with it 7 years ago, and it's a 6.4 ounce bottle, and it's still got almost 5.2 ounces in it, so it doesn't take much to do that. And then I got that 8-horse Giant Vac that I put the engine off the generator on, and that parking lot blower. And that thing really moves the leaves. I can move heavy wet leaves that are 1.5 feet thick, no problem with that Giant Vac. And this does a really nice job too. And I always use the Stihl oil. This is the oil I use. And when you buy this oil with your Stihl machine, they double the warranty. And I use one of these, I like these cans. The key to these is you open the top up before you put it over to pour, and then when you put it down to pour, you pull your handle, and obviously I'm not going to do it, and then you just let it run out after that's in the tank. So it just makes it real easy to fill up, and then you release it and pull the funnel out of the tank. So that, it's in the back of the truck all the time. This is in the back of the truck all the time, and all that's in the back of the truck. But I just picked that up today, that gutter kit, and that'll save me from going up and down ladders and getting on roofs and moving ladders every few feet to blow out the gutters. That was just a pain. So this will make life a bit easier. When I was younger and could shoot up and down ladders and move them around, it was no big deal. But pushing 60 now, so I got to kind of start doing things a little easier. So this is going to make life a heck of a lot easier. So again, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.